What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start and create your LLC in less than 5 minutes. This is going to allow you to open up like that business bank account and that business credit card that you've been looking for, and to finally be official. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to get your LLC, how to get also what's called an EIN number, which is what you're going to need for your LLC. The EIN number is when you open up a business bank account or a business credit card, they're going to ask for this number. And essentially what the EIN number is like the social security of the business. So to be official and to be established, you need two things: the LLC and the EIN number. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the whole process in less than 5 minutes. Don't procrastinate. Let's get this ball rolling and let's start and open up that LLC. So if you want to follow along, by the way, with this video, I'm going to have the link of what I use in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally click those links, and that way you can follow along. We can do the whole process together. So in front of me here, I have Taylor Brands. It's what I use to open up all of my LLCs. Highly recommend them. I opened up already 3 LLCs with this company, and I personally sell full-time on Amazon, and it's what I do. So yeah, this is great. So let's start up. You're going to put in the state that you're living in. For me, I live in Florida, so I'm going to click Florida here. But ideally, you would want to create your LLC in the state that you live. And we're going to click Get Started. And you want to have a business name already in mind. For me, I'm going to put Midtown Power Seller. And you don't need to type in LLC because it's already going to be, they already do it for you. We're going to check if it's available, and yes, it's showing that it is available, which is great. So we're going to click Next here, and it's going to ask you a couple simple questions like, what stage is Midtown Power Seller currently in? I'm first taking the first few steps. When are you planning to launch? I'm going to click in a few weeks. What industry is Midtown Power Seller in? So if you type in any letter here, you're going to see a ton of categories. For me, I'm related to e-commerce because I sell on Amazon. And is it physical goods or professional services? Mine is physical goods. Now they're going to ask, are you planning on hiring employees in the upcoming years? For me, no, but if you are, you can click yes. Not sure, not sure. Okay, now do you have an annual income goal for your business? For me, I don't really know yet, so I'm just going to click I don't know. And you want to put the zip code that you're operating in. And is your business online, brick and mortar, or on the go? Mine is strictly online, so that. And now, what are you planning on doing for your business today? So we're going to be doing the LLC and also, like I said, the EIN number. So check these two, and we're going to click Next. Now it's going to ask, what have you already done for your business? I've done pretty much none of this, so I'm just going to skip this. And how did you discover Taylor Brands? By YouTube, since you're watching this video, right? Click Next here. Do you want a 12-week coaching program? I'm personally just going to skip this because I just want to open up my LLC today. But if you want to, you can join, of course. It has for like, teaches you digital marketing, some, you know, one-on-one stuff, which is pretty cool. But I'm just going to skip this for now. And 9, they want you to put your contact info. Let me just put that stuff here real quick. Okay. That's done. Click Next here once you're done. And we're literally almost done with our LLC. So remember what I said, we needed the LLC and also the EIN number. Taylor Brands can get the EIN number for you for $99, or you can do it yourself and not have to pay anything. If you do it yourself, all you have to do is go on the IRS website and apply for the EIN number. You can get it pretty much the same day. It is sometimes a little complicated, but you can get it the same day. For some reason, the website doesn't work on weekends, so you have to get it from Monday through Friday. But for me personally, I would just want Taylor Brands to do it for me, one less headache to worry about. So I'm just going to click this option and have Taylor Brands do it for me. But if you're good with computers and stuff like that, you know, you can handle it yourself. For me, I'm just going to tell Taylor Brands to do it for me. It all depends on your situation, right? Okay, now are you going to, okay, so registered agent, assign someone as a registered agent. For me, I am always my own registered agent for all of my LLCs. And what registered agent technically means is who's going to be receiving the mail for the business, right? So I'm always the registered agent for all of my LLCs. I actually use my home address for all of my LLCs since they're online businesses, and there's no issues whatsoever doing that. You get all the mail of your business to that address, to my home address, which is okay for me. And if you have a storefront, you would use the address of the storefront. But like I said, if you live in Florida, most likely you're going to be your own registered agent. 95% of the people watching this would be their own registered agent. If you don't live in Florida, then you would assign someone as your registered agent. So yeah, you have to live in the state in order to be the registered agent, if that makes sense. I will appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be myself. Yes, I'm sure. And do you want this? What this means is, do you want Taylor Brands to auto renew your LLC for you for $199 every year? I personally do it myself because they do give you a couple of months to renew it. And so I handle it myself. But if you think you're going to forget, you can always click this option. I'm just going to handle it myself. Okay, do you want a branding toolkit? I am going to skip on this. No, thank you. Do you want expedited filing? This is something that I recommend you to do. Expedited filing, you could get your LLC in 2 days, or let's say if you have a lot on your plate and you don't mind, you can wait 2 weeks and not have to pay anything. For me, I personally would be really excited to get my LLC, I would have like a lot of things on my mind, business bank account, business credit card, be official. So I would pay a little bit extra, $49 to get the expedited filing. Would you like an operating agreement? No, you don't need this. Instagram and Facebook ads, not right now, so no thank you. Okay, a formation kit, you don't need this whatsoever. Click next here. Okay, and do you want to get notified by Taylor Brands? Yes, I do. Get notified with like any updates with this. So now we're gonna have 3 options, right? We're gonna have the light, the essential, and the elite. I always recommend the light because if you follow along in this video, we got the expedited filing and also the EIN number. So if we go here and you scroll down here, the state filing fee to open up an LLC in Florida is $130. Every state has a different filing fee. So let's say California, I think, is about $75. Texas is like $350. Each state, like I said, is different cost, and this is something that you have to pay the state no matter what. So we're going to click here, and I'm trying to save you guys as much money as possible. So if you look here, right, the state filing fee $130, and we got the expedited filing for $49 extra. The total today is $179. If you don't mind waiting 2 weeks, you can just pay $130. It's all up to you. So I'm going to get the expedited filing because I really want to get my LLC, my business bank account, business credit card. So we're going to continue the payment, pay with your card, and that's it. That is exactly how you open up your LLC and be official and get started. After that, you're going to be able to get your EIN number, and with your EIN number, you're going to be able to go to the bank, open up a business bank account, business credit card, get a line of credit that will help you fund your business, and so on. So really hope you do this. Do not procrastinate. And after you put your credit card information, Taylor Brands is going to ask you like, what address would you like to use for the business? For me personally, I always use my home address for all of my online businesses. Like I said, there's no issue whatsoever doing that. If you have a storefront, of course, use that address instead. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding any of this, leave a comment down below. Like this video if you can. I'd really appreciate it. And if you can subscribe, that'd be amazing. That's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.